If your hearing aid sounds quieter than usual, it may just need a quick filter change. Here's how to change the filter and dome on your Phonak hearing aid. Your hearing aid may use one of 4 dome styles: cap, open, vented, or power. Start by gently pulling the dome straight off. Open your CeruStop filters. Each tool has 2 ends. Black removes the old filter. White inserts the new one. Insert the black end straight in. Twist slightly and pull out. Turn it around and repeat to place the new filter. And that's it. Now push your dome straight on. Give it a gentle extra push to make sure it's firmly attached. This quick refresh keeps your hearing aid performing at its best.